calling all curb-appeal crusaders and balcony blossomers. Does your outdoor space crave a puff of color? Today, we are transforming lackluster landscapes into vibrant flower havens with DIY flower bed ideas that are fast, fabulous, and fit for any budget. So grab your gardening gloves, unleash your inner flora fanatic, and get ready to bloom where you're planted. Let's face it, stovewood flower beds can be expensive and limiting, but with a little creativity, you can craft a stunning display that reflects your unique style. Here are 3 awesome DIY flower bed ideas you can conquer in a flash. Look around your home. You might be surprised by hidden gems waiting for a floral upgrade. A chipped wet pot is a prime real estate for a cascading petunia display. The old watering can, a charming container for trailing vines. Don't be afraid to breathe new life into forgotten treasures. Here's how. Clean and prep. Give your chosen item a good scrub to remove dirt and debris. Drainage is key. For containers, drill small holes in the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Vinyl wrap. For porous items like a bird box, consider lining with plastic to retain moisture. Planting potting. Fill your repurposed masterpiece with a mix of colorful flowers that thrive in similar sun and water conditions. See, with a little imagination, ordinary objects become extraordinary planters. This approach adds a touch of whimsy and saves you some cash. Live in an apartment or have limited digging space? No problem. This fantastic fabric flower bed is a game changer. Here's the laydown. Mark your territory. Decide on the size and shape your flower bed. Use a spray paint can or flower to outline the area of your lawn. Lay down heavyweight landscape fabric on the designated area. Secure the edges with landscape staples or rocks. Use a sharp knife to create X-shaped cuts in the fabric at desired planting points. Fold back the fabric flaps and dig a small hole. Plant your chosen flowers and water generously. Isn't that amazing? Now you have a beautiful flower bed without disturbing your lawn. This is perfect for balconies, patios, or creating a temporary display. Dreaming of big blooms in a small space? Look up. Vertical gardens are space-saving wonders. Here's how to get started. Purchase pre-made hanging pockets or create your own. Using zip ties or sturdy hooks, attach your pockets to a fence. Fill each pocket with a lightweight potting mix suitable for container gardening. Vertical gardens not only add beauty but also free up precious floor space. There you have it. 3 amazing DIY flower bed ideas to transform your outdoor space. Remember, gardening is all about experimentation and fun. Don't be afraid to mix and match these ideas. For more blooming, brilliant ideas and gardening tips, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy planting!